This is the trading review for Monday, July 31st. So technically we're gonna start the month of August, but a lot has been going on, so I wasn't feeling the best today to trade. And I'm really sorry I missed out some good opportunities here. Uh, you can see here that we opened within R4, and I was trying to play an R4 reversal, but the 2 minute offered the signal in pre-market. So after that, we ran down hard, and we pulled back here, and we failed to break R4, and we failed to break the opening price. And then we had two opportunities. One here in this hammer, with a rejection of the 20 moving average to make an entry short, and once here again on this time after this tiny pullback. The price here I wanted to make an entry, but it was too jumpy, too spready for my liking. So I didn't have the confidence to pull the trigger, and you can see we ran down at least 3 to or 4 R. We returned to my break-even price, which is a shame. Which could have been a shame, but then we continued from R2. This entry here could have been beautiful, and I could have been able to add here for a run to S2, and this entry could have been nice as well. We traded like a bracket today, and you can see that there is also that we just traded from value within yesterday's value, within yesterday's range, so that's very nice. This was the rectangle uh, this is the rectangle that I draw before using yesterday's value, and you can see that we run it pretty much up and down. So I didn't take a trade today. Tesla, I stopped paying attention to it because we had 50%, 50 relative volume, 50% relative volume. So it got volume later on, but I wanted to play this for an R3 traverse, and you can see that we touched R2, rejected, and I knew we were gonna drop back into value, but this was within the first 5 minutes, so I missed it. And after that, we ran from S3, but we didn't really have a signal here for long, so it wasn't worth and making an entry here. This is not really a signal with volume, so other than buying in this area. So yeah, but it was a nice run to R2 again. There was no signal here to make an entry other than the first attempt on the drop on Tesla. So that's it for my trading reviews. No trades, but we did miss out on. Okay, that's why this is right. But we didn't break rules today. This was a bit low, so we didn't take a trade. And then I did manage to do the morning routine. I managed to remain patient, try to use mechanisms to control emotions and fears are recognized by lack of composure and avoided trades. So in that sense, I did meet my goal. We clear 100%, 0, 0, 0. So this is fine. But we do have to practice today to come back tomorrow stronger and with the right mentality to trade. There were Today was choppy for most people. That's because we had a lot of back and forth. So if you didn't make an entry at the extremes, you were in Chopland and bought Tesla and AMD. A lot of retesting, so not too bad. I didn't trade today, but using my system, I could have made a beautiful entry here. So I'm gonna add this at least AMD to my practice worksheet because it was a nice trading stock.